Hello everyone, I am Charity M. Turing, BSBA FM-2 Section B. I am here to discuss some good things or fun things about mathematics. So as you can see in here, we can see a Sudoku. So Sudoku is one of the example of a recreational game of mathematics. So Sudoku is a logic-based combinatorial number placement puzzle. In classic Sudoku, the objective is to fill a 9 by 9 grid with digits so that each column, each row, and each of the 9 3 by 3 subgrids that compose the grid contain all of the digits from 1 to 9. So, as you can see, here are the box with numbers. So, as you can see, as you observe, there's a lot of boxes that are empty. So, we will fill those boxes with numbers too. So, let's start. So, in first row, we can see that there's 3 boxes that are empty. So, we will fill it up. So, what I've explained, in this row, we should complete numbers 1 to 9. So, the numbers in this row are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, the missing numbers are 1, 8, and 9. Complete the numbers 1 to 9 in this row and also in the upper row. Remember, what number is in this row should not be the same as number in the upper row. So, let's start. So, in this first box, we will put a number. So, remember that the missing numbers are 1, 8, and 9. So, we can put the number 8 in here because it is available in this row. So, also the number 1. So, what we're gonna put is the number 9. So, we're gonna put the number 9 here. In this box, we will see what is the available number in the upper box. So, in the upper box, as we can see, here's the number 8. So, we're gonna put the number 1. So, we're gonna put the number 1. Now, let's go to the last box in first row. So, in this box, the remaining number is number 8. So, we're gonna put the number 8. We're gonna put the number 8 in here. So, there it is. So, great! Now, let's go to the second row. So, in the second row, the numbers are 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 9. Missing numbers are 2, 3, and 6. Let's start with the first box. So, in the first box, as you can see in this line, the number 6 and the number 3 is available. So, we're gonna put the number 2. We're gonna put the number 2 in here. So, in this box, as you can see in the line, there's number 3. So, we're gonna put the number 6 in here. We're gonna put the number 6 in here. And the remaining number is number 3. So, the number 3 will be put in here. So, let's gonna put the number 3 in here. So, there. So, now, let's proceed to row number 3. So, in row number 3, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 9. So, the missing numbers are 4, 7, and 8. Now, let's do the first box. So, in first box, as you can see in this line, we can see the 4 and 7. So, we're gonna put the number 8. So, there. We're gonna put the number 8. Now, let's proceed to the second box. So, as you can see in the line, there's the number 8. So, we're gonna put the number 4. There. So, in the remaining box, the remaining number is 7. So, we're gonna put the number 7 in there. We're gonna put the number 7. And there. Now, let's go to the row 4. Numbers are 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 9. The missing numbers are 1, 4, and 8. So, in this box, as you can see in the row, there's the number 1 and the number 8. So, we're gonna put the number 4. The number 4. So, Here's the number 4. This row, we can see that there's the number 8. So we're gonna put the number 1 because the number 4 is already here. So we're gonna put the number 1. There. So lastly, the remaining number is 8. So we're gonna put it to the last box, which is number 8. So we're gonna put the number 8. There. Let's go to the next row. Row 5. So in this row, the numbers are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the missing numbers are 1, 2, and 9. This box, as you can see the row, there's the number 1 and a number 9. So we're gonna put the number 2. Let's put the number 2. As you can see in the row, there's the number 9 and the number 2. So we're gonna put the number 1. So we're gonna put the number 1. There. So the remaining number is number 9. So we're gonna put it in this box. So let's put the number 9. Let's proceed to the row 6. In row 6, the numbers are 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The missing numbers are 2, 4, and 5. This box, and in this row, the numbers 2 and the number 4 is available. So we're gonna put the number 5. So, number 5. In this row, as you can see, the number 5 and the number 4 is available. So we're gonna put the number 2. Lastly, the remaining number is 4. So we're gonna put it here. So here's the number 4. Let's go to the row number 7. In row number 7, the numbers are 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. The missing numbers are 1, 3, 6, and 9. Let's start over the first box. In this line, as you can see, here's the number 6, 9, and 3. So we're gonna put the number 1. The next line, as you can see, here's the number 1, the number 6, and number 9. So we're gonna put the number 3. The remaining numbers are only 6 and 9. So as you can see in this box, there's the number 9. So we're gonna put the number 6. There. So there's the number 6. Lastly, as what is the remaining number will be the number 9. So we're gonna put the number 9 in here. So there. Let's go to row 8. And the numbers in row 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. And the missing numbers are 5, 7, 8, and 9. So in these lines, number 5, 8, and 9 are available. So what we're gonna put will be the number 7. There. There's the number 7. In this row, the available numbers are 5, 7, and 8. So there's no 9, so we're gonna put the number 9. There. For row number 9 and 10, the process is still the same. So we're gonna get faster it a bit. So now let's put the 9. So there, we're finished. Let's go to the number games. So, number games. Number games are any of puzzles and games that involve aspects of mathematics. Let's play. So, in this row, now in number 1, as you can see, there's a sequence. So, the numbers are 2, 4, 8, 16, blank, and 64. So, let's find the missing number. So, what we have is, the first number in the sequence is 2. And the number in next sequence is 4. So, the logic in here is, you will add the first number by itself to get the next number. So, 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. And 16 plus 16 equals 32. So, 32 will be our next number. So, we're gonna put 32 in here. So, our number in here will be 32. Now, let's go to the number 2. So in number 2, the sequence number are 5, 20, 25, 45, and blank. So let's find the missing number again. So in this sequence, you are going to add the first number to its second number so that you will get the next number. So 20 plus 5 equals 25. And then 25 plus 20 equals 45. So let's add 45 and 25 and we will get the missing number. So 45 plus 25 equals 70. So 70 is our missing number. There. So 70 is the missing number. Now let's go to the number 3. In this sequence, the numbers are 10, 20, 30, blank, and 50. Let's find the missing number again. To find the missing number, first, let's get the domain in these numbers. So, 10 and 20, the domain is 10. So, 20 minus 10 equals 10. So, 10 plus 20 equals 30. And when we add 10 in this 30, we will get the number 40. So, the number 40 will be our missing number. Now, we are done for the number game and the recreational game. So, next, we're going to solve a problem. So now, let's try to solve a problem. Solving a problem using the Polias method, which is, Polias method has 4 steps. Step 1, understand the problem. Step 2, devise a plan. Step 3, carry out the plan. And lastly, step 4, look back. The problem is, Alvin is a reseller. He sells shoes with an original price of 300 pesos each pair. He always purchases 20 pairs and sell it in a price of 350 pesos each. So the question is, how much will be Alvin's all-in-all profit when he will get sold those 20 pairs? So the first step will be understand the problem. So the problem is asking for the profit of the shoes that Alvin is selling. Let's use P as the sign for profit. Step 2, we will devise a plan. So as what problem said, the original price of the shoes is 300 pesos. And Alvin sold it at price of 350. So we're gonna subtract 350 pesos to 300 pesos and we're gonna multiply it to the how many shoes, pair of shoes that had been sold. So it will be like this. Now, next step will be step 3. So, the step 3 will be carry out the plan. So, our equation is P is equals to 350 minus 300 times 20. So, first, let's gonna subtract 350 and 300 to get the profit in each shoes that Alvin will sell. So, 350 minus 300 equals 50. Okay, so Alvin's profit in every pair of shoes is 50. But Alvin has sold 20 pairs. So, we're gonna multiply it to 20 so that we can get the profit, the all-in-all profit of Alvin. So, 50 times 20. So, the profit will be 50 times 20 is equals to 1,000. So, 1,000 will be the profit of Alvin. So, now, we are now in our last step. So, step 4 will be to look back. So, as what it is said in the problem, 300 will be the original price and 350 is the selling price of Alvin. So, in every pair of shoes, he had a profit of 50 pesos and he sold 20 pairs. So, 50 times 20 equals 1,000. So, the all-in-all profit of Alvin in selling shoes will be 1,000 pesos. So that will be Alvin's profit. That's all. Thank you. I hope that you've learned something from me.